Hello my YouTube friends. In this video I'm going to take you on a step-by-step training on how to make Nigerian bread bun or mbadume in Igbo language. So stay tuned, I will be right back. Before we go into action, let's go through the ingredients that we need. So now that we have gone through it, let's jump into our first step. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Be sure to mix them thoroughly to avoid having lumps of sugar, salt, baking powder, etc. Sometimes if you don't mix it properly, you might have your dough, like have different taste. So it's better to mix it thoroughly. So once we're done mixing our dry ingredients, the next step is to mix the liquid ones. Once we're done mixing the liquid ones, then now you can start adding your flour. I used a cup of milk, 1%, and then half cup of just warm water. So what I want you to always have at the back of your mind when you're baking, the kind of flour or flour you're using might determine the result of your whatever you're cooking. I use unbleached all-purpose flour. It's kind of heavy than other flour, so know the kind of flour that you're using. Some of them might need more water and some might need less. So I advise when you add the first cup of milk, if you want milk, then the last half cup of water, make sure add bit by bit, to ascertain if you need more water or if you need less. And then if you eventually, if the dough is sticky or something, don't be scared. You can go ahead and add more flour to make it a little bit strong. Okay, and then if it's strong, you don't be afraid. Also, you can add little water to make it a little bit soft. So your dough is supposed to be a little bit strong, not that strong, to the point that you can roll it without being sticky on your hand or on the counter or rolling board. Okay, so don't be afraid trying and trying it different times. If you make a mistake the first time, continue trying. So what I do is that when I'm doing something I'm just learning the first time, I make a note, and that would help me to understand where I went wrong or what went wrong and what to fix the next time. Okay, so you can see how I rolled the dough. The first time I made a square to allow me make a perfect rolling. So after that, flip the roll and then put a little part on top of the roll to make it a little bit flat, and then you can now cut. The reason that we did that is just to give it the shape that it has. You can cut it in different ways. So it's time to fry. We go ahead and fry. I don't start my frying with oil that is already too hot, because sometimes if it's too hot, you will end up burning some of them, like you're still throwing some new ones in, and then the old ones are already burning. So I start with medium heat, low to medium heat, and then I also have my stove on medium heat. Okay, so you can increase or you can decrease, depending on the stage and level you're frying. And once that is done, fry until the bun is golden brown and it's ready to serve. I actually made this one for my kids. They're back to school. So if you love what we're doing, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, have a great day. Bye.